Today, I'm going to guide you through MailerLite, a great email marketing tool, perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create email campaigns, design landing pages, set up automations, and so much more. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, to get started with MailerLite, you'll need to visit their website at MailerLite.com. Once you're there, you'll see the home page, which highlights all the features MailerLite offers, such as email campaigns, landing pages, automation, and more. Now, before we jump into all of that, you need an account to get started. Don't worry, signing up is super easy and free. Simply hit the Sign Up button at the top of the page. After that, you'll be asked to provide some basic details, like your name, your company or business name, and your email address. Set a password and click on Create My Account. You'll be all set to start using MailerLite. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your MailerLite dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything: campaigns, subscribers, forms, websites, and more. Think of it like your central hub for email marketing. Now that you're on the dashboard, let's dive into creating your first email campaign. Start by navigating to Campaigns from the sidebar. This is where all your email campaigns will be managed, and it's the starting point for setting up a new one. The next step is to decide the type of campaign you want to create: regular campaign or A/B split test. A regular campaign is straightforward and perfect for sending a single email to your list. If you're a beginner or testing out the platform, this is the ideal choice. A/B split test is useful for comparing different subject lines or email designs, but you can explore that once you're comfortable with the basics. Prompt will appear asking you to name your campaign. Choose a descriptive name that helps you identify its purpose later, like Welcome Series, Holiday Promo, or Product Launch. Click Save and continue to move forward, and you'll be taken to the campaign editor. Here you can select your email template and start designing your content. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching your first email campaign successfully. Once you're in the campaign editor, you'll notice the drag and drop builder, which makes designing your email intuitive and flexible. MailerLite provides a range of professionally designed templates to help you get started. These templates are ideal if you're short on time or need some creative inspiration. While you can also start with a blank canvas, using a template can simplify the process and give your email a polished look right from the start. To get started, choose a template that aligns with your goal. For example, if you're promoting a sale, a product showcase template might be ideal. Once selected, the drag and drop editor opens. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with various content blocks such as text, images, buttons, video, and even social media icons. These blocks are designed to help you build a professional email layout quickly and easily. Want to include a product gallery? Drag the gallery block from the panel and drop it into your email where you'd like it to appear. The system is user-friendly. No coding or technical expertise required. Each element is fully customizable. If you want to tweak a headline, simply click on it, type your desired text, and adjust the font, size, or color. Adding a button is just as easy. Drag the button block into your layout, edit the button text, customize its color, and add a link to your website or a specific product page. Similarly, you can add images by dragging the image block, uploading your file, and resizing or positioning it as needed. This editor gives you the freedom to create an email tailored to your brand while ensuring the process remains simple and stress-free. With a bit of creativity, you can design a compelling email in no time. Enhance your emails by incorporating visual elements like images, videos, and even products to grab attention and engage your audience. Adding these elements is simple with MailerLite's drag-and-drop functionality, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. To insert an image, drag the image block from the left-hand panel into your email design. Once you click on the block, you'll have the option to upload an image directly from your computer. Additionally, MailerLite offers a stock image library with professional quality photos, perfect if you're short on resources or looking for quick inspiration. Resize and position the image to fit your layout seamlessly. Videos can also elevate your email content, especially for promotional campaigns, tutorials, or product showcases. To include one, drag the video block into your design. You can then embed a link to your video from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. This ensures a professional, media-rich email that keeps readers engaged. For branding, drag in your logo to reinforce your identity. You can upload your logo file and adjust its placement to ensure it's prominently displayed. Don't forget to add social media icons by using the social links block. Simply drag and drop the block, then link it to your social media pages, customizing the icon's style and color to align with your branding. These elements make your email dynamic and visually appealing while allowing you to deliver information in an engaging way. Whether it's a beautiful product gallery, an attention-grabbing video, or strategically placed social media links, these features ensure your email stands out in your audience's inbox. Once you've designed your email, it's time to see how it looks. Just click on Preview and Test in the upper right corner. This lets you see how your email will appear to your subscribers. You can even send a test email to yourself to make sure everything looks just right. If you're happy with the design, click Done Editing and move on to the next step, adding your recipients. Now, it's time to send your email. In MailerLite, you can choose who receives your campaign by selecting from your subscriber list. If you haven't uploaded your list yet, don't worry, you can do that in a few simple steps. After choosing your recipients, hit Send Campaign to launch your email marketing campaign. Your email will go out to everyone on your list, and you'll be able to track how it performs. Let's dive into creating landing pages. With MailerLite, crafting a landing page to complement your email campaigns is simple and effective. Landing pages are powerful tools for gathering email signups, promoting products, or showcasing special offers tailored to your audience. To begin, go to the Sites tab in the left sidebar and select Create New Site. You will be prompted to name your landing page. Choose a relevant name such as Spring Promo Page or Exclusive Deals Sign Up to keep everything organized. Next, decide whether to create a landing page or a full website. For focused goals like growing your subscriber list or highlighting a limited time promotion, choose Landing Page. Once selected, click Save and continue to proceed. MailerLite provides professionally designed templates to make the process faster. You can also opt for a blank canvas if you prefer a custom design. After selecting a template, enter the drag-and-drop editor where you can add and customize sections like headers, images, sign-up forms, and buttons to match your campaign objectives. For example, if you are promoting an ebook, drag in a sign-up form block to collect email addresses and include a call-to-action button encouraging downloads. Adjust layouts, colors, and fonts to ensure they align with your brand, creating a seamless experience across your campaigns. Incorporate engaging visuals and persuasive copy to capture attention. Preview your landing page to check how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you are satisfied, click Publish to make it live. MailerLite simplifies the process of building effective landing pages, helping you engage your audience and achieve your goals effortlessly. Just like with emails, MailerLite offers several templates for landing pages. You can choose from digital product landing pages, newsletter signups, and more. If you prefer to start from scratch, that's fine too. You can always build a landing page from the ground up. If you want to create a product-focused landing page, start by selecting a product template. Once you choose the template, the drag-and-drop editor will open, making it easy to customize. This editor functions just like the email editor, offering different content blocks such as text, images, buttons, and forms to build your page. For example, you can drag in a button and label it as Shop Now or Learn More. Link the button directly to your product page, checkout form, or sign up form to encourage user action. Customizing text is straightforward. Just click on a text block, type your content, and style it with fonts, colors, and alignment options. If you want to enhance your page with visuals, simply drag an image or video block onto the canvas. Upload product photos or promotional videos to make your page more engaging and informative. You can also add a countdown timer to create urgency for limited time offers or a testimonials section to showcase customer reviews. Once the page design is complete, click Preview to check how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. This ensures that the layout is optimized for any screen size. If you're satisfied with the design and functionality, you can save your work as a draft for later edits or hit Publish to make the page live. Using MailerLite's intuitive editor, you can create polished, conversion-focused landing pages tailored to your goals, whether it's driving sales, collecting sign-ups, or promoting special offers. Now that we've covered email campaigns and landing pages, let's talk about automation. Automations are an amazing way to create email sequences that run automatically based on triggers. To set up an automation, click on Automation in the sidebar. Here, you'll be able to create workflows that include various triggers and actions. The great thing about automations in MailerLite is that you can fully customize them. You'll set the trigger, and then choose the actions. You can set up multiple emails in a sequence, making it easy to engage your subscribers over time. Once your automation is set up, it will run automatically, saving you time and ensuring that your emails are sent at the right moment. MailerLite also lets you create forms and surveys to collect information from your subscribers. To do that, just click on Forms in the sidebar. Here, you can create different types of forms, like embedded forms, pop-up forms, or survey forms. These forms are useful for gathering leads, getting feedback, or signing people up for newsletters. Like everything else in MailerLite, the form builder is easy to use. Just drag and drop the elements you want into your form. Then, customize the design and save it. You can then embed this form on your website or use it in your email campaigns. MailerLite also lets you integrate with a variety of other tools like Slack, Google Analytics, Zapier, and more. These integrations can help you automate processes, track performance, and get more out of your email marketing efforts. And that's a quick overview of MailerLite. Whether you're sending email campaigns, creating landing pages, setting up automations, or collecting leads with forms, MailerLite offers all the tools you need to run a successful email marketing business.